Hey guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my wig collection part 4, and if you want to see my new wigs, then keep on watching. So the first one would be this little guy. It's just a little nice showgirl moment. I love the lace. I am actually going to get really close so you guys can see. Also, don't clog the sideburns. But yeah, I like that you can like take out this little curl and then it's like really cute and showgirly.
Tired showgirl.
Anyways, this is one of my favorite wigs personally on me because I just am like this little curly hair with like a very tiny. Anyways, on to the next one.
This wig got to go, man. Take it off. You gotta go bye-bye. Throw that in the garbage.
Okay. Definition of down bad. There's no fixing her right now. She is May 6'13". She has a bundle in her, so she's a lot of hair. The bundle's right here. You can literally see her. So this wig I use for my my Trisha Paytas fantasy, and I'd like to do like a Tana Mojo fantasy.
Holy cow, that's crazy.
On to the next one, and she's gonna have to be restyled. Yay!
On to the next one.
That hair is thirsty.
So this wig I personally did and dyed.
Fried down, laid to the side.
I love her. She's like this little mango moment. It's so electric. Use some eero for her. She's just a cute little bob moment. Definitely wouldn't wear it with this look. It would have to be like, I think I'd wear this with maybe like a black dress or something, like just, or like a mango look, just to give the hair its own moment. So not the vibe for this look, but
it's not the vibe. Stop!
She's so pretty. She's human hair. Or a blend. I don't know. I just slapped some dye on her and she took. And I didn't have to do it the other way. But yeah, I'll show you guys just a little orange root moment that was spread throughout. I also really like that the hair kind of looks like wet.
Wet?
It has a neon root that glows under UV lighting, but the rest doesn't. So it's like a cool little wig that you take to mini golf. On to the next one. Okay, so I tilted the camera a little bit, and I am gonna drop down for you guys so you can see. This is so heavy. How did I wear this? Why did I make this? Like an angel on top of it. Like, for what reason? On to the next one. I can't even tell the front from the back. This is a Shein wig. I'm probably gonna do a video styling it. What can I say except it's like I'm 90 years old because this is a sin. But if like you're an old lady looking for a little wiggy, oh, she's perfect.
Your hair looks like a grandma just dunked her head in the toilet.
I have to glue this track down myself because it's like up. So I have to fully repair the wig. So on to the next one. So I've been super excited to wear this hair ever since I dyed my natural hair this color out of drag. Well, it has like brown roots, but. So I've shown this wig in a video before, but I restyled it and I plucked this hairline because she has that little bit of lace that connects, and all the hair obviously goes down around the face. And I had to pluck the hairline because it literally had none, so I had to make one. This is me. She's serving you neon fish. And on to the next one. Baby, I'm jealous. Haven't shown this one in a while since she was turned into this. I love a bang like this, and I just wanted it very geometry. What is this random one that I cut? Anyways, on to the next ones. So this is my tiger stripe wig. She goes in the back. I did that with some black spray. Also, she's not even. I gotta even her out and go like. But I kind of threw this wig together for a look one time, and then I ended up having to fix her. I still kind of do, because every time you wear it, you know, the black will not show in certain parts, so. Yeah, she's very tiger fish. Anyways, on to the next one. So this is the wig for my little mushroom look. I love it. It's very, like, cute. I don't know. It gives Lady Gaga to me.
Don't you just hate it when the gays are
Yeah, I ended up cutting this whole wig and styling it. On to the next one. Okay, so this wig Katana gave me my sister. She's a cute little mullet fantasy. You can mess her up and she just gets even hotter. I love a good old mullet. Anyways, on to the next one. Okay, so this wig I actually got and made because I lost my old orange bob. I love a good old triangle bang moment because it just shows, you know, the eyebrows off. I like this one a little bit better because it's a little bit more face framing, but you know, life is life. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the wig collection, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.